So what have we got for you today on the channel? We got a sage and onion sausage roll. This is 170 grams of Paxo stuffing basically. So normally you make stuffing balls out of it. And 170 grams of sausage meat. Now if I was making a stuffing ball, this is how I'd make it. 50-50. And all we're going to do is blend these two together. And there we go. It's all mixed up. So we're going to pop that into a piping bag. So what we need is some pastry. So today I've got 8 pieces of pastry. They're 5-inch squares and around about 3 millimeters thick. So if you've seen my previous recipe, you'll know what we're going to be doing with these. Start by egg washing the edges. And then we're going to pipe our sausage meat. So what we want to do with these now is just fold them over. Just make sure you keep your sausage meat inside. If you want to, you can make your own pastry if you like. Buying it from the supermarket does make the job a little bit easier. And with these, I'm just going to put dots down the side. And then across the top, we're going to go like this. And we'll tray them up. All you need is a tray with some baking parchment. So we'll egg wash the top of these. So that's how easy it is to do a easy sausage roll. So what we need to do now is rest these for around about 25 minutes, just to let the pastry recover. And then we'll pop these into the oven for around about 25 minutes in an oven temperature of 200 Celsius, and that's fan assisted. Well, there's the sage and onion sausage rolls just come out the oven. I've cut one open ready, and this is what they look like inside. That's obviously, it's almost like sage and onion stuffing. Pastry's baked lovely. That's got a lovely top on that. That just look the business. This is what I have for Christmas stuffing. I always do a 50-50 sausage meat and Paxo, and this is what it is with a bit of butter. You know, I mix up how it should be done. It just smells like stuffing. Yes, Christmas stuffing, my favorite. Yeah, that is my #1 there. Mind you, I've said that about them all, haven't I? That is absolutely lush. The sausage meat and the Paxo in it, just mixed together. That's Christmas for me. Or if you have a chicken and you want to put stuffing in it, that's the way to do it. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And don't forget to check the description, because that is where you're going to find a shed full of playlists. A lot more recipes for you guys. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!